Welcome to Debt Management for Financial Wellness, another step in our series, Master Your Finances. Debt can feel like a heavy burden, but remember, keeping high-interest debt in check should always be a top priority. It's the first step towards achieving financial wellness. Creating a debt repayment plan is another crucial step. A well-structured plan can expedite debt reduction, keeping you on track and ensuring you're making progress. Here are 3 quick tips to aid your journey. 1. Always pay more than the minimum balance on your credit cards. This reduces the overall interest you pay. 2. Consider debt consolidation. Combining multiple debts into a single payment can often result in lower interest rates. And 3. Keep a tight rein on your budget. Cut back on unnecessary expenses and allocate more towards debt repayment. Remember, the path to financial wellness is a journey, not a race. Patience and consistency are key. Stay tuned for more insights in our series, Master Your Finances.